Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nails by Riss here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I take off my polygel nails. So to start off, I'm clipping down the length of these extensions. This makes it easier for the acetone to go in and help break up that polygel. Once the lengths are all shortened down, I'm going in with my electric file and filing off the glitter and the regular gel polish coats until I get down to the base of the polygel. Now I'm taking my 100% acetone, saturating cotton balls with it, and clipping on my nail clips. This just holds the cotton ball in place so that way it can efficiently soak off the nail. I'm repeating this on all 10 of my nails, and then I'm going to let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now that 15 to 20 minutes have passed by, I'm going in with a cuticle pusher tool and I'm trying to push off the polygel that the acetone was able to start breaking down. From there, I'm just going back in with my electric file and filing off the rest until I get down to my natural nails. If you want to and you have more time, you could continue to scrape off the polygel and then continue soaking in acetone, going back and forth. I just prefer to file it down if there's already not that much left. I hope you find this video helpful and thank you for watching.